Uh-oh. Tectone files just dropped. Definitely gonna pick that.
Massive day for the unemployed. The jail toad files just dropped. We've got a bunch of people.
He's been super unemployed recently because he hasn't been fucking streaming.
Talking about this, including lawyers who wear suits like Legal Mindset and Jizzqueef. We got the kettle calling the pot black.
I know who you are.
Do you?
You're an evil rapist.
You know me well.
Takes one to know one.
Anyway, Tectone got booted off his agency despite them initiating this several months ago, and the civil court finds that there's reasonable ground.
I don't think it had much to do with... I mean, I think it was to do with this, but I don't think it had to do with this current thing that's going on.
To believe that the respondent committed SA as well as stalking. Tectone hit with a 10-year protective order in ex's assault case.
Let me take a look at that again. So you got right there, right there. Okay. I'm gonna need to know what went on here. I don't know the story. Reasonable grounds to believe the respondent committed, but he's still not being charged with that, and the police dropped it like immediately. I don't know.
Tectone hit with a 10-year protective order in ex's assault case. The Travis County ruling requires...
It probably wouldn't be that hard to stay away from her for 10 years. You just stay away from her.
Tectone, real name John Robertson, to stay 200 yards away from Pink Chew. Give up firearms, delete her photos or videos, avoid all contact, and pay her 15 bans and legal fees. It runs until January 23rd.
You know what I guarantee happened? I bet the court was basically just like, all right, I'm done with this toxic teenager bullshit. Just, I'm giving you everything. Fuck off.
Judge found reasonable grounds under civil law's lower evidence standard with no criminal charges filed yet, despite evidence sent to prosecutors. Basically, he can't own guns for 10 years.
They're all mag.
Fucking owned. Fucking owned. That sucks.
Stop saying clips. You look stupid here.
Still don't know who Tectone is? He's a former Genshin Impact content creator who lost all of his hair due to stress. Oh, and he's also 42 years old. Now, this isn't a criminal case. This was
And he's also very, very small. He looks very small and fat.
In a civil trial. So apparently, from what I hear, I'm not a lawyer, obviously. I'm a figure. But the standard of evidence in a civil case is much lower. In criminal cases, it's evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. And in civil cases, you know, it's a balance of probabilities, meaning more likely than not, 50%. Testimony alone can be sufficient in civil court if the judge finds it credible, consistent, and more believable than the defense's version. So labeling Tectone a is still inaccurate. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys and conceal my bias. I want Tectone to be innocent. I like the guy. I don't want him to be a...
Do you want to know my opinion? I hope that he didn't do it, but I kind of don't give a fuck. Like, I'm not super into him. I find his takes interesting, but I kind of find everybody's takes interesting. I like to follow everybody.